How to repair network fail error in Google Chrome. If you have a problem like you can't download anything on Google Chrome, whenever you try to download an extension or any other application, here is the solution to fix this problem. Get step 1. Update software. Software update is a good option to avoid network fail error. When get this error, one of the reason could be outdated software. So please be sure to update the software for Google Chrome plugins, extension and themes, graphics, driver and antivirus software. Step 2. Check for malware. Malware can cause crash and damage your web browser as well as your system. Therefore, checking for malware using good antivirus software. Step 3. Reset the Google Chrome. It uses a profile folder to store personal data. So, reset the Google Chrome. It will create a new profile folder and move all the story, bookmarks, passport and cookies to that folder. The extension and themes are not moved to this newly profile folder. In most cases, error is caused by this extension or themes. Sometimes running antivirus software will not stop the browser attack, like removing other virus on the computer. In this case, a manual removal is introduced in this passage as an effective way. Sometimes running antivirus software will not stop the browser attack, like removing other virus on the computer. In this case, a manual removal method I will show you. Step 1. Restore your browser setting in Chrome or other browser and use your save, bookmark and passport window to clear or change. Open Google Chrome at the top right and click More Setting. At the bottom, click Show Advanced Setting. Under the section Reset Setting, click Reset Setting. In the box that appear, click Reset. Please note that these steps won't provide a full reset. For example, some setting like fonts or accessibility won't be deleted. Reset browser cannot remove the Java pop-up completely.